Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem quickly. Power the laptop and connect a charger so intermittent power isn't the culprit. Next, plug in a USB keyboard. If it works, the issue is internal to the laptop keyboard or drivers. Once done, reboot and enter BIOS or safe mode to see if keys respond before the operating system runs, because that tells you whether the fault is hardware or software and directs the next steps. If the external keyboard worked, focus on drivers and settings. Open Device Manager and update or uninstall/reinstall the keyboard driver, then restart, because corrupted drivers often block input. Also verify language layout and accessibility options so the OS isn't remapping keys. If software looks fine, power down and remove the battery if possible. Then carefully reseat the keyboard ribbon cable and clean around keys. Physical contact or debris commonly causes selective key failure. When basic steps fail, swap the keyboard assembly or test with a live USB operating system to confirm hardware versus deep OS corruption. Replacement parts are inexpensive but model-specific, so follow the service manual carefully. Once replaced, verify all keys and shortcuts and make sure firmware and OS updates are applied. If things still go wrong, back up your data immediately and contact authorized service or warranty support. This single troubleshooting tip saves time and data when repairs escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.